Alright, y'all. It's 11 p.m. and your boy cannot sleep. First of all, my damn upstairs neighbor, they're doing Pilates or something. So instead of getting up at midnight, I was gonna get up at midnight. I'm gonna get up now. And I was tossing and turning. I really couldn't sleep. So I figured, I just hit the road and this way I got an hour to spare. Like if I get tired, I'll just pull over or whatever. So yeah, I'm about to just get ready. Welcome back to another video. Alright, yo, we are at our first stop, man. 3 hours now. I'm not even tired, y'all, which is crazy given how I slept last night. But yeah, I'm not tired. And luckily though, I don't got a lot here, so I might try to knock this out and and then take a nap because we got a long day ahead of me. I'm gonna try to knock this out and take a nap. But yo, so I ain't gonna get hyped like that. But my coolant cap, so the little string that holds it together to the hose or whatever, it the cap had like I guess shaken off while I was driving or whatever. So I'm about to have to make like a makeshift cap. Does that make sense? Hold on. Hold on. We them boys. Question of the day. Did you subscribe? Bump, bro. It ain't gonna bump. Hoodie up. I'm gonna take my hair out in this video, matter of fact. I'm gonna take these braids out. Let me go ahead and knock this out. When I come back out, I'm gonna look at that coolant situation. I think we'll put this bag on there with this rubber band to make like a cap. You feel me? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Just hold on. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright, yeah, I got some explaining to do. It's 3:30 p.m. and I'm leaving my last stop in Orlando. But my job, I got up last night at 11 p.m. bro. I didn't even get up. I basically was up all night. Like, it was hard to sleep because of Thanksgiving. So I got to my first stop. I unloaded the trailer, right, and then I get to my second stop, and they acting fool over here. I get to my second stop. And I didn't know it was a breakdown, so I ended up going on the dock. I was gonna talk to y'all then, but they were like, yeah, y'all come on the dock here. So I go on the dock. Mind y'all, it's a freezer dock, and I got basketball shorts on, bro, so my legs is freezing. But yeah, I ended up leaving there and then coming here. Came here, man. I ate some food, bro, and I passed out. I went to sleep. I was asleep from like 9:30 to literally 3:20. And yeah. Now we're here. Welcome back. I might start taking my hair out though, for real. I ain't gonna lie. To you. I hope they know this song right here says you, not merge. I just hope they know that. So we just cruising right now. Probably about to go through some bullshit traffic and just vibe, bro. So I'm gonna probably see y'all when we get rolling on the highway. Yeah. I actually made your mouth sometimes. I can't believe one. Y'all see my hair? My hair probably look crazy right now. Y'all probably can't even see me for it. We are about to pull up
This fridge that's in my truck right now, I gotta get rid of it because it doesn't even work. So I need a new fridge, y'all. Operation Get Jaden a new fridge, okay? And the gate is locked. This video went completely off track. This was supposed to be a very, very, very long video. I had a 4 a.m. I left at 11. Had a 3-hour drive, 4 a.m. appointment. Stop. I had a 40-minute drive, 10 a.m. appointment, breakdown, and then I had an hour drive to a 1 p.m. appointment, which is where I took that nap at, and then I drove home. This video was supposed to be like 20-30 minutes long. I don't know how long it's about to be. It still might be that long because I don't know, but yeah, it definitely did not go to plan because. That sleep, boy. That sleep. But that's what come with posting every day. Posting every day, y'all gonna see days like this where your boy overly tired. And but I'm still gonna make it happen though. You see what I'm saying? Still gonna get that vid for y'all. Brother, you miss me when I'm busy on the road. Wanna do at me, I'm listening. Retwisted tomorrow. I'm getting my hair twisted tomorrow. I'm getting a haircut and a twist tomorrow. And right now, what I'm about to do is go to my brother's house to pick up Peb. Take Peb home. I'll probably do my outro at home, so y'all can see Peb and all that. It's an ambulance coming. Hopefully the ambulance don't pull up on me crazy. Stop sign. Stop sign. Nah, we gotta get this fridge out the truck though. Get this fridge out the truck. And yeah, and then I think maybe Sunday is when I add the Christmas stuff to the truck. I'm gonna add the Christmas stuff to the truck Sunday. Man, I'm hyped, y'all. I'm hyped for this month. Yeah, I'm hyped for this month. Yeah. Damn. Bro, this you should pay attention. I'm gonna park the truck like right in the middle of the field, and I'm gonna yeet the fridge into the dumpster. You know what I'm saying? Man, not selling it. My hair look crazy, y'all. Probably do, huh? Yeah, I probably got like a whole damn like. Yeah. My shit was curly though. Alright, y'all know what we gotta do. We gotta, I'm gonna have to take it out my passenger seat, so I'm gonna have to, and that's ready to be a little task. We got a little task at hand, y'all. We got a little task. Ain't nothing wrong with a little task, though. Why do you hear me? And I'm thinking about you. Alright, it's cool. Alright, so all this is good. The camera in the bag. Do a regular trash run first. My water bottles, my paperwork, you know what I'm saying, all that spade. Yeah. Now what I'm about to do. You lock it. Got this front seat. Damn room, man. Alright, now I gotta get out. Damn, it's messy. Now I gotta get out. And then grab the fridge from the other side. I just woke the world up with that one, y'all. I think somebody was out here shooting. I don't know if y'all heard that. That's loud as shit. Kind of cold out there too. That was so loud, bro. Alright. Now I wanna really wanna sweep this out real quick. That's what I had to do. I need a new rug for her. Well, y'all see the next video we'll be working with. I just took the fridge out. I got space back here. That's kind of crazy. I never had space. Hold on, let me get y'all out let me get the 360 cam off of it. And then, matter of fact, look, y'all. Can y'all see? Hold on. Like what it look like in here? Spacious, right? Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm editing. I'm actually done editing. And I'm sitting here and the video is over. I did notice though, y'all not gonna be happy. It was a short video. It was like 14 minutes, I think. Just about 14 minutes. The videos will be back to being long tomorrow. Don't worry. The next video will be long, and the video after that will be long, and the video after that will be long. This is just a short video. Your boy was tired, alright? Your boy was tired. Because my neighbors don't know how to damn stop stomping on my ceiling, bro. But yeah, hope y'all liked it. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. The video will be back long. Tomorrow is a... I can't remember which video it is. But yeah, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Yes, sir. You can come stay the night with me. You can come stay the night.